Welcome to the world of high-end real estate. This is where luxury meets opportunity. Step inside a modern apartment designed for comfort and style. From lofts to beachfronts, penthouses to cabins, the possibilities are endless. Imagine managing properties worth over $1 million, all at your fingertips. See what guests are saying. 5-star reviews and glowing testimonials fill the screen. This is a $1 million Airbnb portfolio, and 90 days ago, it didn't exist. I didn't use a single dollar of my own money for a down payment. I didn't wait for a loan approval. I used a little-known strategy called rental arbitrage to go from zero to managing 7 figures worth of luxury real estate in 1 quarter. This is my exact, step-by-step blueprint. Welcome to BotBuilt, where we find the edge in every market. This is the BotBuilt brand, where innovation drives success. Most people think real estate requires massive capital. That's old news. I'm going to show you how I used OPM, other people's property, and rental arbitrage to build a cash-flowing business faster than I ever thought possible. Let's break down the 5-phase attack plan. Let's map out the journey to your first property. Phase 1, the 72-hour property sprint. You don't need 100 properties, you need one perfect one. I used a 3-filter system on Zillow and Craigslist. 1. Must allow subletting, this is non-negotiable, found in the lease. 2. In a high-demand tourist business district. And 3. Price 20% below average market rent. I contacted 50 landlords with a professional rental arbitrage proposal, link in my free doc below. I got 4 yeses. Phase 2, the Furnish-to-Rent Flip. Cash flow is king. I didn't buy $20K of furniture up front. I used Facebook Marketplace and liquidation pallets to furnish my first unit for under $5,000. My goal was a 75% plus occupancy rate in the first 30 days to prove the model. I used a professional photographer from Fiverr for $150. This is about speed and proof, not perfection. Phase 3. The automated hospitality machine. I am not a 24/7 concierge. I automated everything. Smart locks, $150 for self-check-in. A cleaning company on speed dial. Pre-written message sequences in Airbnb for every scenario. Welcome, checkout issues. This unit could run without me. Phase 4. The data-driven scale-up. After 30 days, I had data. My unit was 90% booked. I took those profit and loss statements and my 5-star reviews back to landlords. I used my success to secure my 2nd, 3rd, and 4th units under the same terms. Success begets success. Phase 5, the portfolio exit. The $1 million isn't equity, it's the combined value of the properties under my management. My exit is the consistent cash flow. Each unit nets me $1,500, $3,000 per month after all expenses. Let's be brutally honest, this is not passive. You are signing a lease you are personally liable for. You need $810K in startup capital per unit for deposit, furniture, and setup. You are at the mercy of the landlord and the vacation rental market. This is an active business. This blueprint is about leveraging what already exists. It's about using data, automation, and hustle to create an asset out of thin air. You're not waiting for a windfall, you're building the machine that creates it. Could you see yourself running a rental arbitrage business? What's your biggest fear? Liability? Finding a landlord? Let me know in the comments. For my free rental arbitrage proposal template and startup budget calculator, the link is in the description. If you're ready to build a modern wealth machine, subscribe to BotBuilt, we're just getting started.